What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart. It seems like it's been forever, man. I haven't been at Copart in like 2 weeks. It's been a cool minute, so we got some fresh Copart content coming. Why? Well, because it's time to get back to it, man, because I leave in 2 days. Yeah, that's right. Monkey Wrench Mike and I are heading out on another adventure. We're going to pick up 2 cars in Danville, Virginia. One of them is a V12 Mercedes, and the other one is a 1973 Plymouth Valiant / Scamp with a 340 4-barrel that's got a really cool story behind it. Stay tuned for that. Yep, we're doing another road trip. We're gonna try to bring 2 cars back this time. It should be a heck of an adventure, and I'm looking really forward to it, but I think Monkey Wrench Mike and I are both getting a little bit worn down from these long trips, so let's get some Copart walkarounds done, and let's get back to the normal content. And there's even something out here at the Copart yard that I may show you in one of these upcoming videos. It's a Porsche. I may actually end up buying that, but for now, we got a 2019 Chevy Malibu. We're in the blue car section, and a lot of times, not always, but a lot of the cars in the blue car section are rental cars or fleet vehicles. So it's got 75,000 miles on it. I noticed it had a little bit of damage to the front. Other than that, I don't know how bad this car is. It doesn't look bad at all, and I know it looks like it got real close to this car, and it did, but it's not touching it. There's nothing damaged. We're going to take a closer look at this one. It's listed as a run and drive. I think there may even be one of the newer Impalas out here right before they discontinued them. This car doesn't look bad at all. It really doesn't, at least not from where I'm standing. It's got Iron Man tires. Let's see how it smells, though. Well, it doesn't smell good. There's mud, and it's, it's a little dirty, but honestly, it's not that bad. It's really not. What is this? It looks like the center console is melting or something. Ew. Okay. Gross. I don't know what it is, so I stick my finger in it. Some of you guys out there stuck your fingers in worse, trust me, including myself. Anyway, we ain't gonna talk about that, are we? Let's see. We got a little bit of damage up here on the front. Headlights busted. Tad bit of damage to the bumper and the bracket that holds the turn signal parking light on. And this fender has been pushed in a little bit. You could push that back out easily. Very easily. This is a clean title, if I remember correctly, guys. Okay. This is not bad. This is not bad. Ooh, she's got power too. She's got power. I gotta see if I can even remember how to do a Copart walk around. It's been so long. We're going to try to do a Copart walk around in Danville, Virginia as well. Oh, wow. Dude, she fired right up. No issue at all. Take a look at them gauges. Oh, she runs like a top. Runs like a top, purrs like a kitten. It is not dead as a doornail. Very nice. So we're in gear, reverse. We're not going to go backwards, obviously. We have a car behind us, but we can go forwards a little bit. Yep. There we go. We'll move it just a hair forward, just so it's less likely to hit that car that's sitting behind it. Important window works. I'm sure everything works in this car. It's only got 75,000 miles on it. This is not a bad car. Not at all. Let's pop the hood. Take a look at the little Ecotech. The brakes feel good. The steering feels good. Let's see what she's got up under here. Oh yeah. Little Ecotech with a little bitty turbo. Not too shabby. A little 1.5 liter. She's quiet. Fluids look good. She obviously fired up without a jump start, so I don't see anything damaged up here as far as the core support. Yeah, guys, this is a good one. Just tad bit of cosmetic work, very, very minor. You know what, I epoxy that light back in. It's probably broken the tab on the bumper itself. Epoxy that light back in, reach in and just pull this fender out just a hair, replace your headlight, you're done. You're done. Give her a nice polish and a wax, you know, shine her up real good. This car come right back to life, guys. Right back to life. This car's got a whole another lifetime ahead of it. Yeah. Let's give her a little rev. She sounds good. She sounds real good. This is nice. This is real nice. I love these cars. I really do. Nice little infotainment center right here. Elton John? All right. All right. Hey, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Yeah, I like Elton John. And if you don't, well, you and I can't be friends. That's all I got to say about that. I'm kidding. You can like whatever you want to like. I like Elton John. I do, man. All right, one down. Uh-oh. One more to go. Oh, I can already hear you. You're going, wait a minute, one more to go. We're supposed to do 3 cars every video, right? Nope, unfortunately, Copart is low on cars. Honestly, normally when we have really bad weather, we just had a bunch of snow and ice out here. Normally, that means we have more cars because people are getting in wrecks constantly. I think this time, people stayed home because we've got less cars. Unfortunately, I had to adjust the walkarounds based on the lack of cars. So here we go. Number 2 on my list is a Dodge. What is it? A Grand Caravan GT? I don't even know what that means. A 19 Grand Caravan GT with 55,000 miles on the odometer. What is... Can somebody help me understand what a... I'm sorry. It's just I've never thought of a minivan as a GT, as a sporty. It's a minivan. It's a minivan. A GT. Okay. All right, I guess we're about to find out what the GT is all about. You get the black leather seats, you get the red stitching, you get the overhead consoles with the rear heat and air conditioning, you get the 3rd row seating, you even get a car seat, of course, stow and go. I believe by this time it's standard on all of these guys. She'll close herself. Let's see what she's got going on up front here. Same black leather with red stitching. A nice little, you know, infotainment center. Honestly, I wouldn't call that an infotainment center, but it's got a radio. Yeah, with Bluetooth and auxiliary. It smells good, but GT, I guess you get the black wheels, right, and that black metallic paint. I'm still maybe. It's got a Hemi under the hood. That's the only thing I can think. The only thing I can think is if it's a GT, she's got to have some oomph under the hood. So I fully expect that this is going to have a V8. Oh, uh-oh. What is this? Oh boy. That is a service tag, meaning this thing went to the dealer. I wonder if something was wrong with it. With 55,000 miles? You got to be kidding me. This isn't a Chevy, guys. It's a Dodge. Dodge doesn't have problems like that. That's only Chevys. Oh. That's it? That's a GT. How very disappointing. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with the 3.6. The oil looks really good. No, there's nothing wrong with the 3.6, okay? There's not. I've had plenty of them, and they're generally very good running and reliable engines. I think the weak point maybe, could it be the transaxle? Maybe, I don't know. Honestly, the van itself looks really, really good inside and out for, you know, being a minivan. Anyway, it looks pretty good. It's a good-looking vehicle, guys. Make a great soccer mom or soccer dad, or what else is there? Soccer they, soccer him, he, she, soccer her, soccer, you know, whatever. I don't want to offend everybody, so being really trying to be all-inclusive here. All right, because that's how you keep from getting canceled. You got to make sure you don't hurt anybody's feelings or assault them by calling them something that they don't want you to call them. So we got to be very, very careful on this channel, guys. Now, if I just offended you, I'm sorry. That's just my viewpoint. It just seems so ridiculous that you have to, it's like you're walking on glass or something, man, and you just can't offend anybody. Good God Almighty. I used to be offended all the time, and nobody was there to protect me from being offended. She runs good. A little whine. Power steering, maybe? Maybe not. Maybe trans? Steering feels fine. Brakes feel fine. 55,000 miles. Like, there shouldn't be anything wrong with this. Oh, this is a Hertz rental car. It is. It's a Hertz rental car. It says damage all over. Is this hail and I missed it? Could it be? I don't know. It's even got a fuel economy button. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's turn on the air conditioning. I mean, the brakes are good. Steering's good. Important window works. I'm sure air conditioning works. Maybe there's nothing wrong with this. Maybe this is a hail car. Backup camera. She goes backwards. She go forward? Yeah. Yeah, she goes forward. She goes backwards. Okay. No issue there. What about, can we turn on the air conditioning? Heated steering wheel, heated seats. All right, we'll turn on the air conditioning, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna get out and we're gonna see if there's hail damage on this car. I sure didn't see it, but I guess I wasn't really looking for it either. Ah, there is. There is. Man, that's not easy to see. It looks like it's on this half of the car. Yeah, you guys won't be able to see it, I don't think. Yeah, there's hail damage, but it's not that bad. Somebody's been polishing on this. There's a lot of polish on that. Somebody did a horrible, horrible job cutting this fender. Why they did that, I don't know. But there's hail damage on the hood. Up here, not much. I don't really see any other damage other than some parking lot door dings. Maybe the roof? I don't know, guys. Maybe I'm just not seeing it. It's one of those things, it's covered in dust and dirt. You would probably have to take it home, wash it up, and that's when you're gonna find all the hail damage. As soon as you get it home and clean it, you'll see the hail damage. In my opinion, this is not a heavily damaged vehicle. Not at all. Not at all. This is something that's definitely something you could drive around without being embarrassed about. You wouldn't notice that hail damage, I don't think. Air conditioning is nice. I need me one of these. Plate Pass Toll Payment Solutions. I wonder if that works for all 50 states or if that's just like close to pay cash. Okay. Interesting. Oh, it's for Illinois only. Okay, well that sucks. Anyway, air conditioning works. She's a nice vehicle, guys. She really is. We got Washington plates. So I guess we know where it came from. It's weird that it's got Washington plates but an Illinois Pike Pass. Anyway, it started right up. It runs great. Sounds great. If I needed a minivan, honest to God, I'd be looking at this one right here. I would absolutely be looking at this one right here. I think this is a good one, guys. She's a good one. And unfortunately, because of how short we are on cars out here, this video's over. Well, do me a favor, if you enjoyed the short, sweet, and to the point video, hit the thumbs up button. I'm working on doing better, guys, but like I said, I am literally about to take off and head to Virginia, so I'm short on time. We are short on cars, but I promise I'm gonna do everything I can to bring you an epic video on the road trip from Virginia back in a couple of really, really sweet cars. I think you guys are really going to enjoy. Be sure that you're subscribed to Monkey Wrench Mike so that you can get his videos. He's going to be doing some cool stuff in his videos on his channel on this road trip, as well as me. So subscribe to my channel as well. We both would appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Comment down below and stay safe out there. We look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.